Alright, today we have come across a question where a figure is given and you need to find the value of x. This is the angle that you need to find and this is termed as x. Now before solving this, you need to construct a line that will join B and C completely. So we are doing a construction. So we are joining these lines. So now as we can see, A, B and CD are parallel lines. And this line, that is BC, is a transversal. As because it is cutting both AB and CD. Now, if this angle is 30, we can say this angle is also 30, as because this is a concept of alternate angle. So let's write angle BCD is equals to 30 degree. What is the reason? The reason is as simple as that. It is alternate angle, and we all know alternate angles are always same. Now if we look at this, suppose this is a point, name it as O. If we look at this triangle, now this is a triangle that is COD. In triangle COD, what will be the value of this angle? This is angle COD is equals to 180 minus 30 plus 35. We all know that if we add all the angles of a triangle, we get 180. So adding this 2 and subtracting from 180 will give us angle COD. That's what we have done. So 180 minus 65. If we add 30 and 35, we get 65. So now if we subtract 180 and 65, we get 115. 115. This is what? This is angle COD. This is angle COD. You need to find the value of x. Now if we look at this drawing properly, this is a straight line and two angles which comprises a straight line are always 180 according to linear pairs concept. So we can write angle x is equals to 180 minus 115, that is 65 degree. You need to get the reason. These are linear pairs. So angle x is 65 degree, which is your final answer. Done.